Yeah.
Okay.
Not big enough. Terrible.
What we have is the game is played with two pair of spinners as shown. Both are spun at the same time and the outcomes are added together to get a score. How many different scores are possible? So what I construct here is I construct a sample space, okay, and I'm going to put down scores of each spinner, like so. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
That is just so bad.
Okay, 5. Okay. Now we're going to get here, guys. Following, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. That relates to the 5 spinner. 1, 2, 3, and 4 down here. And what we got to do is we add the scores together. Okay. So I'm just going to just create a little. Okay, so we know that these are the scores we're looking for. Okay, so add them together. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, and 7. What's the next one? 5, 6, 7, 8. And then finally 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's done. Calculate the probability of a score of 4. Now first of all, there's 4 outcomes in the first one, 5 outcomes in the second one. That makes a grand total of 20 outcomes. Okay? So, how many ways can we get a 4?
3.
3 ways. So that's 3 out of 20. How many ways can we get a 6? 4 out of 20, which is 1 over 5. How many ways can we get a score greater than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 different ways. Which is 6 out of 20, which is 3 out of 10. Less than or equal to 5. 5 and below. What did you say?
10 over 20.
Yes, 10 out of 20, which is a half. A half, okay? Using the sample space diagram, otherwise find the average score expected for the outcome of this game. Comment on your answer. So the average score, guys, what I'm going to do here is going to add up all my scores. So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding up 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It's going to give me 20. Okay, when I add all them up together. 20 for the first 5 games, and then 7, 12, 25 for the second one. I think there's a sequence here. There is a sequence. 30 and 35. Add them all together to get the total scores of every game. So you imagine that you win each game once. Because if you were to play this game 20 times, in theory, you should get one score once. So we're going to get what is it, 65, 110, is it?
Yeah.
Now we're going to get a score of 110. And then that's divided by 20 games, which is a score of 5.5. Would 5.5 roughly be right?
Yeah.
Look at the centre. There's 4 5s and 4 6s. So you'd imagine in between it should be in between 5 to 6 somewhere.
Nice.
Okay, everybody alright with that? Everybody get that? Okay, question 5. El Gigante. The big one. In Spanish. Now, a game consists of spinning a 5-sided spinner which lands on a letter, and then you throw a dice which lands on a number. There's 5 outcomes here, there's 6 outcomes here. This makes a grand total of 30 outcomes. Find the probability that you get an A and a 6. 1 out of 30. An A, a C, and an odd number.
3 out of 30.
A1, A2. Oh, sorry, what does it say?
C and an odd number.
Just, oh, I'll get you. It's like you can get rid of that A. C and an odd number. So C and an odd number would be C1, C3 and C5, which is 3 out of 30, which is 1 in 10. B and an even number, or D and an odd number. So it's B2, B4, B6, D1, D3 and D5, which is 6 out of 30, which is 1 in 5. 6 outcomes out of 30. Okay, an E and a number greater than 4, or an A and a number less than or equal to 2. Okay, that's a lot of description in there. So let's find out. E and a number greater than 4. So that's E5 and E6. A and a number less than or equal to 2. A1 and A2. 4 out of 30, which is?
1, 2, 15.
Huh?
2 over 15.
2 over 15. Am I right with that? No. We're now here. The director of a TV game show decides to use this game as part of a weekly show. Sounds riveting. If the contestant spins the spinner with outcome A, they are guaranteed to win €4,000. The other letters win nothing. If the contestant throws the die with an outcome of 6, they are guaranteed to win €5,000. The other numbers win nothing. However, the outcome of A and a 6 wins a total of €18,000. Find the probability that the contestant wins €18,000. So, €18,000 anybody?
1 in 30.
1 in 30. Now, probability of winning 5,000?
5 in 30.
Alright,
Wait,
so
5,000 was.
A1, A2, anytime you roll an A, you
Yeah.
win 5,000, correct?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, 5,000 or
No,
4,000?
sorry, that's for the number.
Uh,
1 and 6. So it's.
Oh, sorry, if you throw a 6.
No, that's.
If the contestant
Yeah.
throws a die with outcome of 6, they are guaranteed to win €5,000.
Yes.
So if you throw a 6, you're guaranteed to win €5,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so what we're saying here is A6, B6, C6, D6, E6, and F6. F6, is that right?
No.
Alright. Now, there's a problem with that one.
It's 5.
One of them doesn't actually win. One of them, did we leave it out?
No, one of them wins both, but you still.
One of them wins both.
What is 12? It's 4.
So,
You can still win the 5,000.
but you win
It's
18,000.
included in the price.
What's the answer to the back?
4.
4. So you get rid of A6 because that wins 18,000. And you have 4 out of 30, which is 2 out of 15. Same trick for the 4,000. It's all the A's. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. But we already know that A6 wins you 18,000. So there'd be 5 out of 30, which is 1 in 6. How many ways can you win nothing?
20 and 30. Or no.
Well,
2.
see the last 3 answers, yeah? The last 3 answers are the answers for when you win stuff. So if we take them away from 30, we can find out when we don't win stuff. So it's 30 take away, take away 1, take away 4, take away 5, which is 30 take away 10, which is 20 out of 30, which is 2 out of 3. Okay? And we are